So everyone, we already have downloaded the VMware VirtualBox in our previous video. Now we are going to install the Kali Linux on the VirtualBox. So you have to go to the Google again, download Kali Linux. Okay, download Kali Linux. Okay, for VirtualBox. So you have to click over here. So click over the Get Kali and click over the virtual machines. In virtual machines, click over the VirtualBox. So you can see that it will start downloading in the extension of .7z. So it will take a few seconds to download this file. So we will wait. So we have just downloaded the Kali Linux. So I'm going to extract these files in the same folder. Okay, everyone. So we have extracted the Kali Linux. Okay. So this one is here. So there are two files, that is VirtualBox machine, virtual disk image. Okay. Now we have to open this file in the VirtualBox. So click over the VirtualBox now. Click on open. Okay. Let's go to the directory. Go to the same directory and click over the resources, click over the Kali Linux and just open this one. So when I will open that, it will show me in the system just like this. Okay. So here it is available. You can directly run this Kali Linux over here by clicking over the start. So here let's see what will happen. So it is powering up VMware. So let's wait for a few seconds. So it is starting the virtual machine now. You can click over don't ask me again. So you can click over the Kali. So it will automatically start boot. Sorry, let me click on the full screen now. So the Kali Linux is booting in my Windows PC. Okay, so it will ask you the username and password. So you can put the Kali and Kali. This is the login and password. By default, Kali and Kali. You have to put this, so it will take a few seconds to turn on. So here you can see this is the entire interface for the Kali Linux. Okay, so you can able to use this over here. So what we can do in this Kali Linux, we will do lots of practicals in our upcoming classes. So here are the option available like home, file system, trash, and this is our shell. Okay, so here we can do the programming and inbuilt tool are available in this also, like nmap, wireshark, and tcp dump. So there are so many tools inbuilt available, only you have to install them by just putting the command sudo apt and the name of that. Okay, so in our upcoming class we are going to do the further practicals on the Kali Linux like penetration testing and so on. So have a nice day everyone. Wait for the upcoming videos. Please subscribe and share to all.